Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of YT Velocity, which launched on the 4th of June at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review, I'm going to go through this new product release from Newman and Cynthia Benitez. And as the name suggests, it is a YouTube related product and probably the best one that's come out for some time. I think the only one that I can think of this year that's come out that's been close to it would be Chris Derenberger's. But other than that, this is absolutely top-notch stuff. So for those of you that are not currently using YouTube or are not getting results that you would like to be getting from your YouTube channel, this is definitely the product for you, because it will take you through pretty much every aspect of running a successful YouTube channel. It covers everything from not putting yourself on camera, for those of you that don't like to put your face on camera, through to turning your channel into an authority, for getting it to rank better. Loads of ideas about how to set your channel up and the best content, the best niches, pretty much everything you can think of, folks. This is a top quality release, and crazily, if you pick it up early in the launch, you can get it for less than $8, which is an absolute bargain. So if that sounds like it's of interest, then listen on to this review. I'll also go through the 10 highly congruent custom bonuses that I've put together if you pick up YT Velocity from the link immediately underneath this review. There are 10 of them. You can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons any time before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they'll expire. Obviously, I don't want that to happen because they are custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of YT Velocity, because of course you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video, when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are particularly congruent with the main offer. So let's have a quick look at the sales page. YT Velocity: monetize any offer in any niche fast. Unlock, set and forget free buyer traffic from Google and YouTube in just 15 minutes. Beginners are already making more than $127 a day with this. It's your turn now. Brand new traffic system for 2021. Proven, beginner friendly, really. 100% free buyer traffic direct from Google and YouTube. All-inclusive income solution, including monetization in any niche. Everything you need to succeed is included, and the easiest and fastest way to generate recurring commissions from free traffic. We'll also have a look inside the members area. There it is. There's John Newman. And we'll also have a look at the pricing. The regular price is $12.95, but at the moment, if you're on the sales page and if you move as if you're going to leave the sales page, a drop-down coupon will pop down. Just click on the button there and you can pick this up for $7.95, all right? Okay, so let's deal with the bonuses. When you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to this page here. This video that I'm making now will be in that space there. This is what we've just gone through about what YT Velocity is all about. And the sales video, you can watch it either here or you can watch it on the sales page. It's entirely up to you. Okay, so all the bonuses that I'm going to offer are YouTube related or video related. Firstly, I'm going to show you 3 completely different ways that you can earn $1,000 a month on YouTube. Some have a connection to the content in YT Velocity and some don't. Secondly, I'm going to show you 45 viral video super hacks. These are little clever tricks that can help you to build up your YouTube channel by putting in little tricks and engaging content that will keep your viewers enthralled. Next, straightforward one here, 5 super tips for ranking on YouTube. Now, John does go into a lot of stuff about ranking in the course, but here's a little bit extra for you. 5 ways to make $10,000 using PLR videos. So if you've got old PLR videos lying around, well, this is a way that you can monetize them. 7 ways to become a video influencer. One of the best ways to make money from a YouTube channel is by setting yourself up as an influencer in a particular area. This will show you exactly how you can do that. How do videos go viral? Another one talking about the actual science of what makes videos go viral. Next one is how to explode your YouTube channel. This is actually a video training from Brendan Mace on how he built up a high authority YouTube channel. Next, for those looking for a quick fix of needing to rank a video very quickly, this tutorial is going to show you how you can rank any YouTube video in 24 hours. The 10 best YouTube niches. Now, this is one that was shot back in 2019. To be honest, they haven't really changed since then, what with the pandemic and everything. Things have sort of stayed in a sort of time warp since 2019 in a lot of ways, because nothing really happened last year, and certainly none of these niches have changed. And a video marketing masterclass to round things up if you want to really get creative with your videos and go beyond and be a little bit techie with them. Yeah, those that don't worry. And of course, you'll get all the vendor bonuses that Cynthia and John are giving away with this. So I hope you can see, folks, they're very congruent bonuses. All of them are highly relevant to the product. So let's have a quick look at the sales page. Not going to spend too much time on it, folks. It is a sales page after all. Lots of income proof and all the rest of it that you'd expect to see on a sales page. I'll let you have a look at this obviously in your own time, folks. All I really want to cover on here is just to check out the additional bonuses that John and Cynthia are giving away. There we go. So bonus number 1 is OLSP Traffic Domination Group. This is an underground private group that shows you how to dominate traffic and also sends you sales for free. Bonus number 2, how to explode your YouTube channel. All right, that's actually a duplicate, I think, folks. That's the bonus that's on my page anyway. Bonus number 3, 10x commissions machine. Complete video series showing you how to set up powerful affiliate marketing campaigns. And bonus number 4, the lazy YouTube method. So 3 additional bonuses there, because one of them you've already got on my bonus page. And as I said, for the moment you can pick this up for just $7.95. So let's have a look in the members area. A welcome orientation video there. Well, a welcome and then an orientation video from John. And then we go into the main training. So it's covering everything from setting up your YouTube channel. Do I need to put my face on camera? The answer is no. Required tools, how to come up with content ideas fast, done for you content ideas, ranking factors, uploading and ranking videos, optimizing your video for maximum rankings, secret ranking hacks, authority commenting, importance of thumbnails, and turning rankings into money, how to monetize it, and then you've got loads of case studies as well. Everything that you need for a beginner to really succeed in YouTube, folks. If you're not crushing out on YouTube at the moment, or if you're just starting out, you really need this product, and for less than $8, folks, you cannot go wrong. But there are some upsells, so let's have a quick look at them. So front end, as I said, $7.95. Upgrade number 1 is the Pro version, which teaches you some advanced strategies to make even more money without putting in any extra effort. That's $37. Upgrade number 2 is Done For You 365. This will give you done for you campaigns so that you don't have to do any of the work. Just copy and paste and make money. They consist of you'll get done for you bonus pages every week for a full year, and also email swipes. You will need Commission Gorilla for this. Upgrade number 3 is Steal Our Traffic, which is $197. You can put your pixel on the sales pages of John and Cynthia's previous products from 2020, as well as their future products for the next 12 months, and build up a huge audience of proven buyers. Very effective strategy that is, folks. Quadruple reseller rights for $47. Sell YT Velocity as your own product and keep 100% of the commissions. But not just that, folks. Also the previous products, the Collector, 10x commission machines, and Buyers List Bonanza. That is a pretty good deal. And Launch Accelerator. So this is a big opportunity, folks, to launch a product with Cynthia and John. It's always worth launching with a super affiliate, and those opportunities are few and far between, because people like me have stopped offering it. For example, I used to offer a launch partner, but now that's reserved only for members of my own academy program. So an opportunity to launch with a super affiliate is rare. So when they come round, do take them. They're strictly limited to 5 people only. So once those are gone, they're gone. 997, folks, is a great deal to have pretty much a guaranteed success for your launch. So a great funnel there, folks. If you want to pick this up and any of that funnel, all you have to do is click any of these green buttons. That will take you through to the sales page. Click on the button here. As I said, there's a drop down thing that will come as well when you move your cursor to make sure that you get the discount down to $7.95, and then that will bring you into your receipt area at Warrior Plus, where you click on the green button there to access your copy of YT Velocity, and you click on the blue button there to access my custom bonuses. This is a top-notch training, folks. I'm going to give this 5 stars out of 5, my top ranking. And all that remains is for me to thank you as ever for watching and listening to this review. If you've enjoyed it, do please click on the subscribe button underneath, and also click on the bell icon so that you get informed every time that I bring out a new recording. But until then, this has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of YT Velocity.